Greetings and welcome once again to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So at this link here, you can have access to a free course for just 5 days. You basically get an email every day, a new email, and it gives you a simple little example of the new calculus and how you can actually put all the concepts, the basic concepts together. So this page here is not owned by me. It is owned by Chase Kwasniewski. I hope I pronounced that right. And you could just simply enter your email address and say, I want this, and you'll get an email every day for 5 days in a row showing you each of the different concepts. So you're not going to become an expert like it says here, but you're going to get a good idea of how the new calculus works. So I think Chase is being overly optimistic, but I'd like to tell you this, that although the new calculus is initially a lot harder to learn and master in the sense that it's rigorous and contains no ill-formed concepts like infinity, infinitesimals, or the circular theory of limits, because of the fact that it's 100% geometric and based 100% on the mean value theorem, it takes some time to understand it. And there's some good references here by people who've tried it out, and you can read about them here. So not only Chase Kwasniewski, but also Andy M., Rayhan, Rudy Land, and these are just a few, but there are many others. So I encourage you to just sign up for this course. It's only 5 days and it's free, and I think it's incredibly valuable. So if you're not already a subscriber, become one. Click like on my videos. I am targeted by the mainstream community. I'm targeted because I pose an existential threat to their careers. So they don't like me. They're pathologically jealous of me, and they'll do anything to destroy what I have to say and prevent others from knowing it. So also, I have a brand new members-only channel. So you can join that channel. It's only €5 a month, basically the cost of a cup of coffee at Starbucks or Costa Coffee or somewhere else. And you'll have access to information that I will not be sharing any longer with the public. However, all the hundreds of videos that I've already uploaded are free, will remain free, and so will most of the articles on my academia account. So I'll place links to those and also to this page in the details section. And I'll make this open for comments. If you have any questions, you can ask one question at a time, please. So that's pretty much it. I'm John Gabriel. This is New Calculus. Till next time, goodbye.